Yeah, that's the only way to do it. Unless you weigh about 100 more pounds than me, apparently. $13. You might even have to turn your rotor. Get a new rotor. Depends on manufacturer specs. Set that off to the side. Oh, yeah, slop. Got a U-joint out to boot. For now, let's get this rotor off of here. Careful when you pull this pin. It's just a little spring right there to keep that from going anywhere. That silly contraption is because this nut's not supposed to be on very tight. It's just to hold the bearings in place. But this one's so rusted on there, it's probably going to be fun. I'm going to grab a couple lug nuts. A wrench to span them. I'm going to need a 36 millimeter socket. That off of there. There is a washer. Rattling around in there. Come out sooner or later. I'm banging on this probably. Alright, we'll get it out later. And now, we got these guys here. I want to lube up really well. See that? Right there. There, and one on the bottom. So we have 3 bolts that look like this one behind here. 1, 2, and 3. Those are the same 13 millimeter used to take off the brake caliper. Only these are going to be nice and tight. Tell you right now. These are not the easiest thing in the world to take off. They appear to all be rusted in place. So, I'll get back with you when I get them all off. Alright, Got all those pesky bolts. Had to move the wheel back and forth a few times. Now let's get this sucker off here. Now we're replacing this whole thing. So there's the new one. Same height and everything. On these, you can tell the difference between what they call a cast rotor and a composite rotor. Really, the biggest noticeable difference is the length of the lugs. So when you go to order these or pick them up from the parts store, that's a good way to find out. These have the longer lugs on the cast rotor. So, coming. There we go. That washer we having fun getting off. So that's how you get that off. Replace it. And there is the U-joint, which is toast. Ooh. That is so bad. Alright. Make sure the axle shaft is clean. Try not to touch any of that grime on your way in. Keep it suspended in the axle best you can. Find its home. Alright. Now we get this put back on, like so. Make sure it finds its seat there. Alright, get the bolt started. Right. That in there, put the lock nut in there, keep the bearings tight. Right there. Now we get the lock washer mechanism spring loaded, keeps it in place. The tightness of it obviously doesn't. Get that there. You find a good pinhole spot. Side back.
Hey y'all, thanks for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up, and I always like your comments. You might as well check out the channel and subscribe if you liked what you saw. I also have a website, thej20jeepster.com. You should check it out. Thanks.